Hi, my name is Victoria. I'm with CombiTel, and here we are talking about our radio streamer service. So, our radio picks up AM, FM, and DAB plus frequencies, and this online UI allows you to completely configure all of that and to multicast via your network onto your TV, which can be displayed as a channel. It's completely configurable and really easy to use, so a lot of users don't really struggle. It's very intuitive and can be completely customized to your needs. You can find out more information on our website, combitel.com.au. Thank you.